As a teacher, whether you are general ed or special ed, you are going to have students with different disabilities in your classroom. Welcome to a new series where I highlight different disabilities. I am going to talk about Down syndrome, and here are some of the things that I am going to talk about. Let's talk about general facts. 1 in 700 births are born with Down syndrome. There is an increased odds with mothers over 35. The most common way for this to happen is an extra X chromosome on number 21, as pictured here. This can affect how brain and body develop, and there's a very distinct look, which I'll talk about on the next slide. The look. There's a flat bridge on the nose, crease on the palms, extra space between the big toe and the next toe, an extra fold of skin around the eyes, widely spaced and upward slanting eyes, straight hair, structural differences in the mouth and ears, and short in stature. Medical issues. Let's start with dental issues. Small and missing teeth, roots shorter than normal, large tongues, problems with their bite, gum disease due to a lack of an immune system. These medical issues go together. Low muscle tone and loose joints can lead to obesity and sleep apnea, and thyroid problems can also contribute to this. More medical issues. They can have heart problems, GI issues, leukemia, and sight and hearing problems. If you're getting value from this video, hit like, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for notification. Developmental delays that can affect school: speech, slower processing speed, intellectual disabilities, behavioral issues, possible autism, and neurological impairment. Supports in school: visuals, multisensory learning, extra staff and instructions, extra time, use of technology because technology uses a lot of visuals, and accommodations for physical impairments, which I will talk about on the next slide. Physical accommodations in school: table height and foot control. Remember that the Down syndrome community tends to be shorter. Back support while on the floor. They have lower muscle tone in order to hold themselves up. Hand splint to support holding materials. Again, goes along with the low muscle tone. Angled writing board. Adaptive utensils for eating. Long term, the average lifespan of someone with Down syndrome is 60 years old. This has risen in recent years due to medical advances. Some of them can live independently, but this does depend on the severity of the symptoms of their Down syndrome. And some of them can get jobs, again, depending. They tend to get Alzheimer's as they get older, and they can get autoimmune diseases. If you want to learn more about autism, watch this video here, or I interview my friend Evelyn about her son with autism, plus we talk about many other things.